So I have enjoyed cooking food, getting the kids in there. Everyone says cooking with your kids is a blast. I love it, but at the same time, it's a huge headache for me. So we found some recipes that the kids enjoy to do, like their energy ball. One of my joys was going to the grocery store and not getting to go there and have it be peaceful and enjoyable for me is sad. We get our food delivered and then we get in the kitchen and we try our best to make it fun and enjoyable and cook our favorite foods. We do a menu planning session together as a family to figure out foods. So sometimes Carly gets in there and cooks with me, and sometimes it's my other daughter, Bryn.
As far as our eating goes, it's actually pretty much the same. I still do my food prep on Sundays, still do my grocery shopping. It pretty much has not changed at all. So that has been very fortunate.
Meal planning has been a bit of a challenge. I am the typical person that can go out every day to pick up something for what are we going to eat tonight, or, oh, I missed this, or oh, I missed that to make something. But now we've been kind of limiting ourselves to going to the grocery store weekly, so you really have to kind of go with an idea of what you need for the week.
As my family is pretty big, I have 4 kids, and so every time I cook, I'm cooking for 6 people, and 2 of those kids are teenagers who are very hungry, and so it actually feels like cooking for 7 or 8 people. We're really trying to reduce our grocery store trips to only once a week, which has been a big adjustment and a big challenge. So I have been meal planning for an entire week at the beginning of the week, and I create a grocery list and I give it to my husband, and he goes once a week. It's really helpful for me because I also, not only do I not have to go to the grocery store, but I don't have to think every single day about what I'm going to be cooking. I just think about it once in the beginning of the week, and then for the whole rest of the week, it's made meal prep go faster. It's been a load off mentally to not have to think about 3 different meals every single day.